we planned a party for the Queen's cousin.
Fashion is crazy. But how do you break through in this industry? Turns out all you need is a catwalk. The plan was simple: walk the cat on the catwalk, gain attention from the media, and be granted access to London Fashion Week. But however, I was experiencing performance anxiety at the worst time possible. Should I just go and do it?
Could do, yeah.
With those words of encouragement flowing through my veins, my time had come. Watch this.
London Fashion Week's first cat on the catwalk.
Soon after, images began surfacing online, and on top of that, we had just gotten wind of an exclusive Fashion Week after party just a few blocks down the road.
Ooh, Ollie! That's the bottle.
After party time.
Party! The red carpet's too bait to try and sneak into an event with, so I'm just going to leave it by the bin. And if it's meant to be, then it'll be there when we come back. We may have been looking the part. Well, one of us was anyway. But there was one issue. Neither of us were on the guest list for this exclusive event. But that wasn't going to stop us. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you get a London Fashion Week. The networking event.
Did you get a stamp down here? Did you get a stamp down here? Part of the event? Yeah.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we made it in.
Yo. So it just goes to show with a little bit of confidence and a little bit of bullshitting, you can make it into anywhere. And now we've got the sickest view of the city.
Little do we know at this point, but the evening had only just begun.
Uncle over here.
Did you just call me uncle?
Uncle.
You're taking the piss.
We're at the after party.
As we were leaving the Fashion Week event, we got wind of a BAFTA after party. The only thing left to do was to navigate ourselves there. Luckily, we had a companion to help us.
I was ready for the photo.
Okay, well, we get a photo, darling.
Better.
YouTubers.
So we just in London Fashion Week after party, and now we made friends with these guys, and we're going to where we go?
BAFTA's after party.
The BAFTAS after party. We're walking very fast. I'm not used to this.
Little legs. Ezekiel, how are the vibes? How the fucking...
The vibes were good, and I just landed myself a job.
I can't but so you're now going to be my videographer. Yeah.
You know how it is. You know how
You're going to get all the content.
Which after party were we at?
So we was at David Coma, yeah. Badman David, yeah.
Badman
David, Badman designer,
Man
yeah.
like David.
Man like David, yeah. It's been a really good night.
Well, we're still going.
Happy birthday.
Oh, thank you.
No, I'm not saying. Oh yeah, it is your birthday.
It is my birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
My birthday, yes, and what better way to spend it than at the BAFTA after party?
He's actually got us here.
Absolutely. So just the entrance is just right through here when you see it.
Alright, let's go.
Around the corner. Another one. Another one.
Thank you.
At this point, we'd bypassed all the fans, and security were directing us straight to the entrance. We'd made it in line, and the only thing left to do was to get inside. But who's this? Getting out of this executive chauffeured vehicle? My knight in shining armour, Leonardo DiCaprio. Oh, I wish.
Thank you.
It was at this point things went from bad to worse.
Take this message. Do not call people rejects. I am not a reject.
I have never called you
No,
a
no,
reject.
this is the.
So I've just woken up to a text from the guy that we met last night, and he sent me an invite to a London Fashion Week catwalk and after party later on tonight. The plot thickens, ladies and gentlemen. Fucking. Got the RSVP invite.
Are you right?
Have a name.
Yes, all the way. I'm on like the media side of things.
Amazing.
I was at the event.
Wristbands, that would be great.
Ladies and gentlemen, we've done it again.
London Fashion Week. You're crazy.